Out of all of our resources, water is one of our most essential. In the United States, we haven't had to think too much about it. There was plenty of water, there was plenty of land. We can't just assume that the water is going to always be there. It's not going to be. In the US, we lose 7 billion gallons of water a day, which is 30% of what's lost worldwide.
The Village of Oak Park gets their water from the city of Chicago, which gets their water from Lake Michigan. We are losing approximately 300 to 350 million gallons per year. With this old system, we generally get a lot of breaks that don't surface.
Leak detection became important because we had a significant increase in water loss over the years. We're trying to bring that down. Before the technology, we just waited till water was on the street and then we dig it up. We had no other way of telling when there was a leak.
The reason that it's so hard to find these leaks in the States, we're dealing with northern climate that has a freeze thaw, so the pipes break in the spring. We're dealing with a very old infrastructure, and then on top of that, in certain areas of the country, the ground is very porous, so the leak never surfaces. What our technology does is help them find those leaks. Oak Park selected us for the pilot for a number of reasons. They're a suburb outside of Chicago, so their system is about 120 years old. A very beautiful neighborhood. They do have a relatively high percentage of loss. They were looking for something that would be able to find these leaks that never surface for them. So we can monitor an entire system while they sleep, and when they go to work in the morning, we can tell them where the problem areas are. Once they know where the problem areas are, then we can also go in and say, hey, it's this section of pipe, dig here.
It's been more efficient for sending our guys out because with the Permanet dashboard, we're able to pinpoint these non-surfacing leaks where I could send my guys out to start correlating to verify that there is a leak at this certain location and find out where a water main break is.
We found about 19 leaks, I believe. Majority of them that were never surfacing, we would have never found without the loggers. It's a big step forward for the Village of Oak Park to try to be ahead of these things rather than be on the back end of emergencies.